Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go down this alley right here. This one is called Chifeng, so it's Chifeng Street right there, lane 17. So there's lane 17, there's lane 23. They go all the way down, so there's all these different lanes. And we're gonna check out this one and kind of see what's in it. And before we go down, let's just kind of look around, check out all the other cool stuff. There's like Yellowtail, that's the Zhongshan station. Got a Christmas tree, got a park, and an underground bookstore right here as well. But anyways, we're gonna be going down that little alley and we'll check it all out. But yeah, those alleys, they kind of seem typical in this area. This kind of park is the driving force, and then these little alleys that go down like that. So let's check it all out. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, so here's our alley, Chifeng Street, lane 17. So there's lots of different lanes, and they all kind of have like, they all look kind of cool in their own way. So what we're gonna do is just kind of go and check those out. Check out the lane 17 one anyways. And lots of cool stuff all along the main street here. But we're gonna be focusing on an alley. So let me capture the alley name first. This is a little one way that goes all the way down. And that is it right there. So lane 17, Chifeng Street, right there. So let's go check it out. First thing we got is a pasta shop. Let's kind of catch us real quick. So I noticed that like pastas are kind of popular here in Taipei. But yeah, I've been seeing that's kind of a theme that I've been seeing pretty much everywhere. Let's just kind of see what else we got here. Got a salon to the left, pasta to the right. Let me see. Salons. I think we're going to have quite a few little stores around here. So that's our pasta shop right there. Let's just kind of see what else we can see. Tight fit here. Okay, let me step out. Moshi Coffee, Botanical Garden. So yeah, lots of these little coffee shops, hair salon. Okay. So this one, I might actually, we'll see how quick I go down these. Oh, they got even more little alleys inside. So this is still ours, but I just want to step in here real quick because I'm pretty sure there was stores. If it's like this, then it's like really cool. Oh, dang, there's even more. Huh, so all the lanes have different things going on, shops and stuff, such like that. Okay, this is really cool. And that one, there's a balcony up there. So you can actually kind of overlook these streets a little tiny bit. Okay, say Baba F meat. Let's see what this is. So I think a little boutique shops. Kind of got all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. A lot of hair salons on this particular one. Alleys that go all the way down. It's kind of interesting too. There's a sign for the fire hydrant in case there is a fire. Huh. Sake, Japanese wine, whiskey, more. Huh. These little alleys go to the main streets too. Huh. I didn't realize. I thought the alleys kind of like crisscross too. So they actually are more elaborate and cooler than I thought. So many shops. There's like a phone shop right here. I think we're gonna come out to a park. So we're still in Chifeng, but now it says lane 8. So I think I don't know if the lanes change or not. But that says lane 8, so we're gonna just take a look at that. So it says lane 8 right there, so I think we started at 51. So I don't know, maybe this lane is a different, but that was our focus one right there. And it's just kind of, and we got a park over here. So I think this would actually be named a different one. And since there's a park, I'll just walk towards the park briefly, just so you can see what it's all about. Huh. There's somebody doing like cleaning the it's like a Taoist or Buddhist. Okay. So that was our target street right there. There's all kinds of like kind of cool stuff everywhere. I didn't quite expect it quite like that. And then there's some other little alleys in here too. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go see what this Frank Dali is. I don't know if it's a bar or a hair studio. Frank Dali. Yeah, it's like a lot of little businesses everywhere. It's cool. Hair studio, okay. Should I go all the way up? So we got a hair studio. I'm just kind of thinking, I think I'm gonna go all the way up. Give you a little taste of these streets. Yeah, actually this is kind of cool. I just didn't really realize it was quite like this. Actually, that's back to the beginning of the park. So I'm just gonna navigate some of these other little alleys. You kind of get a sense of how interesting these neighborhoods are. So thinking like Taipei is not as old as I don't know, basically built by Japan. So I'm just thinking Japan has a lot more, you know, Tokyo has a lot more, well, Tokyo is a massive city. Anyways, I could just see as Taipei continues to develop and more and more and more, this will probably densify quite a bit as well. So it's kind of interesting. We're gonna head over into another little alley right in here. And I think let's do it. Let's go on in. So this might actually be ending, but we're gonna just see if this connects to another alley as well. We'll just kind of come in, check it all out. So that's a tiny little alley. There's still stores in these too. So actually we could just keep on. That goes back to our main street up there. Let me just kind of peek the camera in here. Yeah, the way the Zhongshan is set up is really cool. Oh, let's keep that going into other cool stuff. Gotta be careful in here, there's broken glass. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna label it lane 51, but I can see already that all the lanes are kind of we go back to the park again right there, so that's kind of interesting. And I guess we're just going to come back to where we started at, which is the one straight ahead. Okay. Gonna come up here and then we're gonna end the video. So basically we just kind of came in. That's kind of cool as well. So that kind of a nice ending right there, but I can't fully end it right there without highlighting where we came from. Pretty cool. So we went down that alley down that way. And we're gonna end it on this one. Okay, that was another student. Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.
Toma cuidado la voz minha.